tayo sa Island Pacific Market. Ayan, bumili lang ako ng Llanera. Wala silang photocops eh, so sa ano ko bibiling yun? Sa Amazon. And we're heading to Tita's Kitchenette. Grabe yung ganda ng weather. Mainit na. Ito na. Shit, haba ng pila. Oh, buti na lang. Masarap dito yung ano nila eh, yung sinigang. Sinigang. Dito daw tayo pipila. Tapos, tingnan natin yung baleros. Ayan. Ito yung main ano nila sa baleros.
So, ito yung mga ulam nila dito sa Tita's Kitchenette. I still prefer Lisa's kasi mas madami at affordable. Then, we're here in, sa ano to eh, sa may Miramesa din, donut. I forgot the name. Randy's Donut. Pero super sarap niya, promise. Mas masarap to kaysa doon sa pinuntahan namin dati. So, here in LA, and finally we're gonna have authentic ramen after 10,000 still. This one is really authentic because they have a lot of branches all over the world. This is not actually the reason why we are here in LA. The main reason was to attend the Filipino Festival for Independence Day and meet my friend. Because I ordered some cookies to her and she lives in LA. So we already met them and then we were hungry, so we just, instead of going in the Filipino Festival, we're just gonna have ramen. And ayun, after that we went home and stay in the hotel kasi it's 2.5 hours drive going home. So ayun lang, hindi talaga namin napuntahan yung Filipino Festival. Sayang nga eh. Pero yung friend ko nakapunta, sabi daw niya madami daw tao kasi nga it's useless to go there anyway. Then after that, we went here in San Diego County Fair. This is actually my first time going in a county fair here in the US. And what can I say? It's a lot of people. It's still crowded even though we arrived here around 5 p.m. Yeah, ang dami pa din tao. And then we try, I think, only 2 kinds of food. My husband wanted to try the barbecue brisket sandwich that we have, and we bought some lemonade because we're still in the food from having ramen. So what we did the whole day is to eat. Talagang puro food sa pinuntahan namin. Ewan ko ba? Basta ang dami. And then, gumagala na lang kami dito. Tinitingnan lang kung ano gagawin. I know they have concert here, but we missed that one. Kasi hindi pwede yung asawa ko. So this is the only day that is available. Ayan,
What is drink here?
nagagagala kami. Tinitingnan kung ano po mag-bili or mag-try. We have actually a lot. And they have also this kind of thing. Like, kaya wala yan sa Pilipinas kung natawag.
I'm gonna give you one more chance to match, okay? If you get yellow or purple,
We did try though, but the tickets is quite a bit pricey. So we only spent $50. My husband won though. Well, this is a good thing. And then after that, we went home. Kasi yung ano niya, yung ticket niya is quite expensive.
Ayun guys, dito ako
And
sa
now we're here in the Japanese grocery store.
Ayan.
I actually researched just
Since
one
namimiss
because
na ang
I'm looking
Japan.
for some ingredients that I needed.
Maghahanap tayo
Kasi nga
ng
magluluto ko ng Japanese
recipe.
cuisine. And I tried in H Mart, I tried in the other Asian store, they don't have it. So, nag-search ako sa Google if they do have Japanese grocery store.
Years pala.
This store
1 year na.
Has a
look at
lot,
that.
but it's so pricey and so expensive.
Shit,
Like
yun yung gamit namin.
2 to 3 times expensive. Grabe. I think we spent here almost $200. After that, hindi na kami bumalik dito. Kasi nga,
Kasi may
sobrang
ilagay ko for
mahal.
our dinner today.
Parang konti nga lang yung nabili namin, pero it's already $200. Almost.
Oh shit.
Hindi siya sakto eh. Kasi bumili yung husband ko ng Boss Coffee, isang case. And kasi yun ang pinaka namimiss niya sa Japan, yung Boss
May nabibili
Coffee.
ko dati sa 7-Eleven.
And that one's really good though. I like that one as well. So, tsaka pumili kami ng konti lang. Kapiranggot nga lang
Wala
yung
dito.
binili namin eh. Pero grabe talaga. Ganito. But actually, dito mas mura pa kaysa dun sa pinuntahan namin sa Seattle. Which is 3 times more expensive. Grabe talaga, no?
Uy, ano ba ito?
Kung alam ko lang mahal yung mga Japanese goods,
May ganyan
madami
din
sana
kasing
akong
H&M.
dinala sa HHG.
Wala dito.
Para madami kaming naiimpake.
Wala.
Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Kung alam ko lang, madami akong kinarpat nun sa Japan. Sayang. But, we're just enjoying here. I'm looking for other stuff for his snacks. Kasi nga, namimiss niyo yung mga snack ng Japan din. Ayan, ito yung meat section nila. Alam mo yung gusto kong bumili, but at the same time, when I saw the price, I returned it back.
Nakakita ko
Because
everyday.
kakainin ko lang siya, or kakain lang namin siya on that day. Isang araw lang. Tapos, ubos na.
Soon.
Diba?
soon,
Parang
soon.
nakakapanginayang.
Konti
For
tiis
me,
na.
nakakapanginayang for me. I don't really buy a lot of foods when the price is so expensive. Kasi, parang nung nasa ano ko nito sa Minnesota,
Namiss ko na Sophia.
Asians, in the Asian food store, yung mga prices dun is really expensive din for me.
Pangluto.
Ayan. Grabe pala ito, no? Kung yung Filipino food, mahal na. What more pa kaya tong Japanese? So, after that, we actually tried their crepe at the same time their bubble milk tea.
Japanese.
Ayan, inaantay ko ng
And
asawa
meron din
ko
silang-
kasi nga, ito bumili siya ng
Yung
crepe.
crepe. Grabe.
Kasi ito yung na-miss namin sa
Gusto ko
Japan
nang
din yung
mag-book
crepe.
ng ticket. Tapos lumipad ngayon.
So I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting. So they have also self-checkout here. But we didn't do the self-checkup because we had a lot of stuff. But I think it's only 3 bags. Yeah. Now we're here in National City. It's my friend's daughter's first birthday. Nisha. And they have a lot of food. Though we didn't stay that long because going here is like 1 hour and 10 minutes drive without traffic. Ayan, pinakanta na si Nisha. Kaya hindi kami masyadong pupunta dito sa National City kasi grabe. Malayo namin eh. But they're from the south or yeah, we're from the up north. So, magkabilang dulo kami. Kaya ang hirap puntahan dito. Kasi nga yung biyahe. Almost. Well, actually, 1 hour talaga siya. Then after that, this is actually July 3rd. My husband craves for Jollibee. So we went here before we go to his co-worker's place to spend the 4th of July. So we were here in Coronado Island. They're having a 4th of July celebration. But this is 3rd of July. Ayan. Andito sila. Silang lahat. Kasi nga, kinabukasan mo lang pasok, syempre. So, they're just enjoying it instead of, So, I'm on the plane. I'm heading home. Actually, ano lang to, maikling trip. kasi may appointment ako at hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-move kasi pahirapan kumuha ng appointment dito. So, kaya uuwi tayo sa Washington. Binisita pala ako ng friend ko. Nagpatulong din kasi ako tanggalin yung battery sa kotse kasi nalimutan namin. So, ayan yung anak niya si Pipoy na marunong nang maglakad or natututo nang maglakad. Ayan, pero saglit lang din sila tapos umuwi na din. Tapos, ito yung asawa niya.
Come on, walk. Walk
Ayan,
now.
si Pipoy.
Walk, come on.
Grabe, super proud ako sa batang to. Kasi kita ko talaga yung yung milestone, tsaka yung growth. Kasi super ibang-iba siya dati. Basta.
You're gonna walk.
Kaya ngayon, ang dami niya yung nagagawa, mga achievements, ganyan. Ano na talaga, big boy. And finally, I'm already here back in the Golden State, San Diego. Ayan. Super ikli lang talaga na yung stay ko sa Washington. Dapat I always love sitting in the window aisle kasi ang gandang tignan ng labas. Kaya makikita nyo yung mga yung mga building. Asap niyang tignan sa mata. Gusto ko din makita to pag punta kami ng New York. Ayan. We love San Diego, kaso nga lang napakamahal. Yun lang talaga, it's really expensive. Lahat. Wala atang dito, Moraita. Lahat mahal. And I'm here in the airport. I'm just waiting for my luggage. Maliit lang yung dinala ko. And itong airport na to, super liit lang nung airport din nila. Hindi siya ganun kalaki katulad sa Seattle. Kaya, mabilis ka makapunta sa gate. Tsaka, yun nga lang, medyo mahaba ang pila kapag papunta ka ng security. Yan. So, I'm just waiting for my luggage and waiting for my husband to pick me up. He's on the way now. Ayan. Ito lang yung ganito lang kalaki yung airport ng San Diego. Daming Mexican. And after that, the next day, we decided to watch Insidious 4. Fan talaga ako ng sequel na to. Simula Insidious 1, pinanood ko siya. And my husband loves it as well. So, ayan. Hindi na namin pinalampas. So, ito yung, nandito kami sa favorite namin na sinehan. Ayan, yan na. Maganda yung, yung movie. Maganda din yung story talaga. Sana nga may, may part 5. Ewan ko lang kung magkakaroon pa. Pero, nakatulog ako din dito eh. Usually, nakakatulog talaga ako sa sinehan. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit eh. Ginigising na lang ako minsan ng asawa ko. Kinakalabit. Or, tinatapik. That's all for today.